How to scan TikTok QR code. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily scan QR codes through your TikTok app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first, open up your TikTok app. Then once you're on your TikTok app, tap on your profile in the bottom right corner here. Then once you're on your profile, you have to tap on these three lines in the top right corner here. Then here you will see my QR code. Tap on it, and then here you will see your QR code. Now to scan other people's QR code, you have to tap on this icon in the top right corner of your screen here, and then you have to give permission. If you haven't given permission to TikTok to access your camera, you have to give permission. So tap on while using the app or only this time, and then your phone's camera will open. Now bring in front of the QR code you want to scan, and then wait for a few seconds, and the QR code is scanned. Now here it says you're about to open an external website. Be cautious and keep your profile information safe. So after you scan the QR code, it will take you to that QR code's website. So if you want to go, you can tap on open. And so this is how you can scan QR codes on your TikTok app. Thanks for watching.